me, guys. Hello, amigos. Nicole, move. This is one of my pictures. If you stop. Okay, there. That's one of my pictures. It's a stop. This is one of my pictures, and I'm gonna teach you guys how to draw it. Okay, so I'm getting a pen. Woo! And sorry about that. Okay. So, first you draw the head. But you have to have it sideways. Set up, go! Each will go there, mami. Raz. Pizza! Mama, Sarah's hitting me! Okay. Then I drew this. So I'm going to draw the stuff on the back of it. No, actually I'm going to draw it in my journal. Remember, guys? Okay. You can have it sideways if you want, or no. Okay, I got a pen. So I draw a circle, then a beak on it. Okay. Then you draw a bottom beak on the bottom. Then I draw stripes. Okay. Then you draw an eye. I like to draw a heart in the eye. And then I squiggly stuff like that. Okay. And then I draw a body. Set up, go. Not squiggly stuff on there. Okay. And then I make wings. Like that. And then I make the feet. Okay, this is my other one that I drew, but I didn't draw wings. So here's my other one. I hope you guys liked it. And then I just write in fancy. I just write bird. Then I hope you guys liked that. Then Remember, I'm Keymid 11. So like, I'll write it down for you. Right? Remember, I am Keymid 11. KEMYD and 2 eyes. It's upside down, and I'm so sorry, but it looked better.